Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering the Home Mini and opening the Google Home app on your Android device. Make sure Bluetooth and location are enabled so the app can find the speaker, and connect your phone to the same Wi-Fi network you'll use for the Mini. Once the device announces itself, tap Add, then Set Up Device. This starts Discovery. You do this now because Discovery and Account Association are required first. This avoids redoing network steps later. When the app finds your Home Mini, you confirm it by listening for the chime or matching the code shown. Then assign the device to a room so routines and group control work. This matters for multi-room playback. Next, you link music services and set voice match so the Mini recognizes you. Enter the Wi-Fi password to connect the speaker. Make sure to choose sensible defaults for music and video apps because those control what happens when you say, play. Finish by letting the speaker update and running a volume and voice test. Say OK Google and a simple command to confirm. Make any final tweaks in the Home app, rename the Mini, add it to speaker groups, and set routines. If something goes wrong, reboot the Mini and your phone, forget and rejoin the Wi-Fi, then retry Discovery. This clears common pairing issues. If updates are pending, wait for them to complete before retrying, because firmware mismatches.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.